Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 7.5 Multiple Question. Question number 9. A solid sphere of radius x centimeter is melted and cast into the shape of a solid cone of same radius. The height of the cone is here. Sphere is 4 by 3 pi x cube. Radius is x cube, and with same radius cone 1 by 3 pi x squared h. Cut pi 3 cut, so the remaining the square and x cut, therefore 4x equal h, therefore h equal to 4x. So option 3. Next question number 10. The frustum of a right circular cone is the height 16 centimeter and the radii of its ends are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter. The volume 10th one, volume of the frustum of the cone is pi h by 3 r squared plus r squared plus rr. We will put the values. Pi h, the frustum of right circular cone, height 16 centimeter. 16. Bigger radius is 20 square. Smaller radius is 8 square plus 20 into 8. Here pi into 16, 400 plus 64 plus 160, which is equal h by 3 here. Now the final calculation is 16 pi by 3. Addition is 400 plus 160 is 560, 324, 624. Then cut with this 208 and 16 into 208 is 3328 pi. 3328 pi. The option 1. Now question number 11. A shuttlecock is used for playing badminton, has the shape of the combination of the cylinder and a sphere, hemisphere and a cone, sphere and a cone, frustum of cone and a hemisphere. Frustum of cone and hemisphere. Option 4. 11th is option 4. Now question number 12. A spherical ball of radius r1 units is melted to make 8 new identical balls, each as radius r2 units. Then r1 ratio r2. Here that 8 small balls, that is 8 times volume of small sphere is 4 by 3 pi, let it be r is r2, r cube, 4 by 3 r cube is 4 by 3 pi r1 cube. Then 4 by 3 cut, pi also cut, so 8 r2 cube equal r1 cube. So we have 8 by 1 equal r1 cube by r2 cube. Therefore cubic root both side, 2 over 1 is r1 over r2, because cubic root of 8 is 2, r2. Therefore r1 ratio r2 equal 2:1. R1 ratio R2 is 2:1. Option 1. Now question number 13. The volume in centimeter square of the greatest sphere that has cut from the cylindrical log of wood of the base radius 1 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. Here the height and the volume of greatest sphere that cut off radius is 1, r equal to 1. R is 1 means therefore 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to 4 by 3 pi into 1 cube is 1. Answer is 4 by 3 pi, because the sphere touch the walls of the cylinder, so its radius is same the radius of the cylinder. Sphere is same radius with cylinder, so answer is 4 by 3 pi, option 1. Then question number 14. The height and radius of the cone of which the frustum is a part of H1 units and R1 units respectively. Height of the frustum is H2 units and radius smaller base is R2 units. Therefore H1 by H2, H2 ratio H1 is 1:2, R1 ratio R2. Here question number 14. Here H2 ratio H1 is 1:2 given, and R1 ratio R2 we have to find. So we know that volume V2 by V1 is 1 by 3 pi R2 square H1 minus H2 over V1 is 1 by 3 pi R1 square H1. Now 1 by 3 pi cut both sides. Therefore V2 by V1 equal R2 square H1 minus R1 square H1 over V1 is R1 square H1, so which gives R2 square 2H1 because R2 square by 2H1 minus R2 H2, because it's the ratio is given as R1 square 2H2, which is equal R2 square 2H1 minus 2H2 minus H1 by taking common, and R1 square 2H2. Finally the ratio is, after cutting, the ratio is 1:2. Therefore question number 14th, option 2. Question number 15. The ratio of the volume of the cylinder of a cone and a sphere of each has the same diameter and same height is. Question number 15. This pi r square H cone 1 by 3 cylinder pi r square H 1 by 3 pi r square H ratio sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. After pi cut and r square cut, the ratio is H ratio H by 3 ratio 4 by 3 r. So we have, so the ratio is 3:1:2. So multiply with that one, 3:1:2. 2. This ratio is 3 is to 1 is to 2, because after that you will put that same values of h we have. From this we can get it that answer. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.